So what's up, y'all? I'm at the car wash right now. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to clean my car. I'm about to clean the inside and the outside, give it a quick wash. I haven't done this I haven't washed the outside of my car in months, but the inside, I did it the last few weeks, I'd say. And I've just been busy with work, so I'm trying to get a little, I have the energy now, and right now it's about 64 right now where I'm at in Pennsylvania, so we don't get too many days like this. So I'm gonna take advantage of it, clean my car. And by the way, the boy got my hair retwist. I'm nice and clean up, but we ain't gonna get into that. We gonna talk about the truck. So I'm out to wash my truck, clean the inside, and then clean the outside. I'm gonna show you guys that's the inside right now. Doesn't look too dirty, but I spilled something right there, and then you can tell from the seats, I got stuff everywhere. So I'm about to clean this up now. All right, y'all, so I just got done cleaning the inside, so I'm gonna give you guys a look of the inside. Got the dashboard nice and clean. As you guys can see the back too. So pretty much all I need to do cause the car wash I'm at, they don't have a vacuum that you can be able to clean your carpet. So this I'm gonna do a whole different day, but it's just I'm just trying to clean the inside of my car. I'm not no professional, this and that, but it looks better than before. So I'm gonna show you guys top side on that side. This is really not that bad though. I'm be honest with you guys, man. I really haven't had the time to clean the inside and outside of my car, so I finally got the chance to do it. So you guys can see it ain't perfect, but it looks better than before. And it smells good too. So I'm gonna show you guys on the front side. Passenger side, I'm gonna show you guys. So as you guys can see, you guys can still see the stains and stuff. Like I said, I still got to clean this up, but it's, this pretty much take a lot of time for you to do. And also the car wash I'm at right now, they just have the vacuum cleaners. They don't have the ones for the carpet. So this I'm gonna do a different day. But she looked nice and clean on the inside. Now it's time for the outside. I'm gonna show you guys on the outside how dirty she is. y'all. So I just got done cleaning the inside and cleaning the outside of my car, and I must say this is one of the reasons why, for me, I just don't clean the outside of my truck at all, because it's like so much work. It takes a lot of time, and I gotta hold my camera to try to record. I'm not trying to make excuses, but for me, I just feel like, I just lost like interest in really trying to keep my truck clean. Like, I can understand if it was a car or something like that, like a smaller vehicle, then yeah, I can understand why I want to keep it clean like pretty much every day and shit like that. But it's just the fact that when you have a lifted truck and like it's just for you to try to scrub, like use the brush, doing all that stuff, it's like it's a workout. Me, I like working out, but it's the fact that it's a workout, and also it becomes more challenging and stuff like that when you gotta, me trying to hold my camera and then clean. But I got it done, and like it been a minute since I've really took this time like out from work and just be able to clean the inside and outside of my car. Like the inside is not really a big deal. I could do that I could do, but it's just the outside. When when you have a lifted truck, it's like kind of, it's not easy, man. It's kind of tough. But I just give you guys pretty much just give you guys a little something to post, I say, pretty much. And I had to clean my truck, so like me and my wife been using this truck back and forth, so she was finally able to get a new vehicle today. So I decided to take the time to clean it and wash it. But yeah, it's definitely not easy though. It's definitely not easy.